Now as our AMDP class for the insert and delete operations working fine. Okay, this AMDP method is working fine for the insert and delete operation, and here in this method we have input only as a single material. Okay, we have input only as the single material. Now what we'll learn next, we'll learn how to call the one method, one MDP method of a class inside a different method. Fine. So what I will do here, for this method the input is single material. So I will create one method with the input in the form of a table. I will make a loop on the input table, and inside the loop for each article of the loop I will call this update underscore matter underscore price method. Okay. So in the same class, first I will create one types declaration, types begin of tp underscore matnar. Here matnar only single field of type matnar, end of tp underscore matnar, and then table types tt underscore matnar, type standard table of tp underscore matnar. Okay, so data declaration is done, and next here I want to add one new method. Okay, so this time class methods call underscore update underscore matnar underscore price. Okay, and here also I am taking single importing field in the form of table. This time it underscore matnar of type tt underscore matnar. Okay, implementation is missing, that I will do. Now before that, what I will do in our first method, I want to add one more if else condition, because I want to update the data only if the pricings are found in this table. Okay, if IT result is not blank, let's say only if the IT result is not blank. Okay, count 2 IT result is greater than 0. Okay, fine. So what I have done before inserting, and let me do one thing. If for the given material, if new record is not there, if no new valid record is there, so even before inserting I want to delete that. Okay, I want to delete the record. Suppose one price is there that is valid, let's say till the 15th of October. Okay, and I'm executing this method on the 16th of October, other date. And if there is no valid record, no valid price maintained on the 16th of October, so I want to delete the previous record. I don't want the wrong data to be there in the table. So for that reason, here before that I am deleting the record, and if new record is there, it will get inserted. Fine, save, check, this will give error because for that new method the implementation is missing. Okay, now let's come back again on this new session topic. So what I have done, I have declared one type declaration as table input matnar, one new method called update matnar price. Okay, And for this we have to create now implementation. Click add implementation. Here by database procedure SQL script for HANA DB language SQL script, and using, so this time what I want to do, I want to use the method of same class. Okay, ZAMDP05 underscore CRUD, and this method I want to call. So in using we have to call, we have to add this class and method. Fine, because here we are not using any table here. I want to call ZAMDP05 ZAMDP05 underscore CURD, and then the instance method of that starting method of that class update underscore matter price. Fine. Now let's see the error here. Body is cannot be empty. Yeah, I'm adding the body here. Now what we'll do? First we'll declare two variable. Okay, declare two variable LV underscore, let's say index integer, and assign the initial value as 1. Okay, then I will declare one more value as LV underscore matnar, and here I will use ABAP type $ABAP dot type, inside the bracket I will use matnar, bracket close. Fine. One I define type as integer, second I define type as matnar. Now what is my requirement? See, for this method my input is table, that is IT underscore matnar. Okay, this contain only one field matnar. For each material I want to make a loop and call this method. So first now we'll make the for loop here. How to make the for loop? Now for LV underscore, this for LV underscore index in one dot record underscore count. What is meaning of record underscore count mean? Let me first add the table name, then I will explain. For the record underscore count of the table IT underscore matnar. What is the table name? Let me check the table name again. IT underscore matnar. Okay, it is IT underscore matnar. Do first close the for loop here. First close the for loop. End for. Okay, is not needed. That's fine. So what I am doing, I am making a loop at IT underscore matnar. So here record count means total number of record in this table. Okay, so I am making a loop, okay, from 1 to total number of record in this internal table. Now what is my requirement? I want to read the value of material from this table of current loop inside this variable. So how to get the variable data? LV underscore matnar equals to IT underscore matnar field name dot matnar, and then inside this LV underscore or index field INDX. Okay, so here I will get the value of matnar of this index from this internal table. Now after this I want to call that method and that class and the method by passing the matnar number. Okay, So select this. Now how to call this? Syntax for this is call double quote. Inside that, write the class name and the method. Okay. Then space, as we have one importing field in that, that is IP underscore matnar equals to LV underscore matnar, close the call method. Fine. Now save. Let me check the error. See, no error. Okay, no error. I will first activate and I will explain the again till now what we have done. See here, for second method, first I declare a type declaration TP matnar, then one table type TP underscore matnar, then I created one new starting method call underscore update underscore matnar price with table as the input, and then in the implementation part of that method I am using the same class first method. Okay, and here I am making a for loop on the incoming table, and for each loop first I am taking the matnar value in this local variable and I am passing to this class. Fine. So class is activated now. Now what I will do, I will delete the existing record first from the table and will pass the data in the format of a table now. So here let me first delete all the data from this table. Yes, select all, delete all. So all data I am deleting from this table, and let me check the value here. Fine. So I will pass 201, 202, 203 and 208. Okay, now what I will do before that, I will set a breakpoint here so that we can monitor the value. I am not setting breakpoint in the first method, that we already checked. Okay, first breakpoint here and second here. Now execute. Now I can see two methods here. This is first one, this is second one. Now I am passing the value in table format S201, new line, S202, new line, S203, new line, S208. Okay, I am passing 4 record this time. Breakpoint I already set. Now if I execute this, see here. See, in the IT matnar we have received 4 record. Okay, now I will press F6. See, in the LV underscore matnar, see the value 201. Now system will, okay, so my old breakpoint was already set, so it is going there. So let me just press F6, F8, F8. Now second value. Okay, here the second loop is coming now. F6, F6. Okay, so like this we can monitor the value inside this for loop also, and we can execute. Fine. So this is the third record, I guess. One more record is there, that also I will update. Okay, so all records are updated. Now let's go back to our SAP system and cross check the value in our custom table. Z matnar underscore price. See the output. In the first method, I was doing updation for single value. Fine. Now what I have done, in the second method, I created table as the input and I am passing all the article in that. Okay. So in this way we will learn. how to first create a MDP class method, AMDP method to insert and delete operation. And after that we learn how to make use of one method into another. Fine. For the update, you can use the same concept as like delete with the update syntax. Okay, here instead of delete, use the update and set the values. That is normal. That you can take as an assignment. And select, we already know that was the read operation. So once you learn the update as assignment, then it is a complete CRUD operation. CRUD, that is create, read, update and delete. Fine. So in this way we done this session, that is insert delete operation and also calling one method into another of a AMDP. Thank you.